Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw cash from Venmo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to answer it. Before we get into the steps of withdrawing cash from Venmo, let's talk about what Venmo is and how it works. What is Venmo? Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's also a great way to pay for things like bills, groceries, and dining out. How does Venmo work? To use Venmo, you need to create an account and link your bank account or debit card. Once you've done that, you can add money to your Venmo balance or transfer money from your bank account. To send or receive money, you simply need to enter the recipient's email address or phone number. You can also use Venmo to pay for things at participating merchants. Can I withdraw cash from Venmo? Yes, you can withdraw cash from Venmo. There are two ways to do this. Use your Venmo card. You can use your Venmo card to withdraw cash from an ATM. Transfer money to your bank account. You can transfer money from your Venmo balance to your bank account. How to withdraw cash from Venmo using your Venmo card. Log into your Venmo app. Tap on the Settings tab. Tap on Card. Tap on Order a physical card. Follow the instructions to order your Venmo card. Once you receive your Venmo card, you can use it to withdraw cash from an ATM. How to transfer money from your Venmo balance to your bank account. Log into your Venmo app. Tap on the Transfer tab. Tap on to Bank. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Enter your bank account information. Tap on Transfer. Important things to know about withdrawing cash from Venmo. There is a $2.50 fee for each ATM withdrawal. You can only withdraw up to $2,500 per day from an ATM. It may take up to 3 business days for the money to transfer to your bank account. I hope this video has helped you understand how to withdraw cash from Venmo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In addition to the information in the video, I would also like to add that Venmo is a great way to save money on fees. For example, if you use Venmo to pay for rent or bills, you won't have to pay any fees. Venmo is also a great way to track your spending. You can see all of your transactions in the app, which makes it easy to see where your money is going. Overall, Venmo is a great tool for managing your finances. If you're looking for a way to save money and stay on top of your budget, I highly recommend using Venmo. If you're not already using Venmo, I encourage you to sign up for an account today. You can download the app for free from the App Store or Google Play. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. 1. rutube.ru. rutube.ru. I'll see you next time.